Now let's look at how to use a day counter widget of a classic add-on plugin. First open the Elementor editor and click on this plus icon to add a new section, or you can add it in your existing section. And here you can choose your preferred layout, and in the left sidebar click on this widget options and search for the day counter. Simply click on it to add it in your section, and here you can see date. You can choose your preferred date for day counter. And these are the day counter items you can enable or disable by drag and drop. Now let's enable all the needed items to the enabled area, and if you want to disable any unwanted items you can simply drag and drop in the disabled area. Also you can change the alignment of these items. The next option is layouts, and here you can change the preferred alignment for the day counters. And the next option is day counter layout. Here you can choose it from default, classic, modern and classic pro. Let's choose the modern. And the next option is day counter shape. Here you can change into square, round or circle. Let's choose circle one. The next option is labels, and here you can change all these labels as your preference. Next, let's move to the style options, and here you can see padding. Enter your preferred inner space value for these counters. Let's give 50 pixels each side. The next one is margin. Here you can enter outer space value for these counters. Let's give 10 pixels each side. The next one is font color, and here you can change your preferred font color for the counter. Also you can change your background color here, and if you want to disable it you can simply click here to clear the background color. And the next option is typography. Here you can change the font family and font style for the counter. Also you can change it in the overview too. The next part is day counter, and here you can change the size of the box. And the next one is padding. Here you can enter preferred inner space value for these counters. Let's give 10 pixels. The next one is margin. Here you can enter preferred outer space value for the counter. Let's give 10 pixels each side. The next one is timer color. You can change your preferred color for the timer. And next you can change your font color here. And the next option is background color. Choose your preferred background color here. And if you want to enable box shadow you can enable it here. Also you can change the style of the box shadow here. And the next option is box shadow position. Here you can change it to insert or outline. And the next one is typography. For timer you can change font family and font style for the timer. Also you can change all this in the overview too. Finally update it and let's check it in the output.